Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today I want to teach you a very important strategy. Okay, this strategy is powerful and it is simple. All right, simple but very powerful. And this strategy is ideal for beginners because as a beginner you need something that is quite simple, that you can easily take a decision on, not something very complex. Okay, so you can do a back test of the strategy and you can also forward test with a demo account as a beginner. Okay, but this video might be a little bit long because I want to take my time to explain the strategy step by step. You need to follow me to the end of the video. You need to use my settings. Don't go and use another setting. If it is possible, when I show you the settings to use, do a screenshot. Okay, do a screenshot of the settings I'm going to show you. All right, once you do a screenshot, it's going to help you fill in your own setup exactly the way mine is, so that you can also get the same results I am projecting that you would get if you apply this strategy. Okay, so let's go. The very first thing you need is a pair that moves in a very violent manner. Okay, US Tech is one of such pair. US 30 is also one of such pair. But right now I'm on US Tech charts. Okay, you can see US Tech up there. So this is the US Tech charts, and I'm using the 1 hour time frame. It works on any time frame. Okay, any time frame is good. All right. So the very first thing you need for this strategy is you need to come over here. If you're on MT5 or MT4, you need to come to this indicators icon. So when you click on the indicator icon, the next thing you want to click on is this F plus, as if you want to add an indicator. Okay, so just follow me step by step. You will see the power of this strategy. Okay, the next thing you want to click on is moving average. Do you see that? Moving average. You click on moving average. All right, now do a screenshot. You can do a screenshot of this part, because I want everything that is right here to be exactly what you are going to fill in. Okay, your what's it called? The period should be 5 minutes. The shifts should be 0. The method should be simple. Let me click on that method. If you click on the method, you see you have other types. You have exponential, you have smoothed, you have smoothed, you have exponential, and you have linear weights. You have no business with all those ones. Please let it be simple. Okay, click on simple. Simple is what you should have by default. So next, this should be 4 pixels so that it will be very clear. Your color should be red and you should have apply to close. Okay, so that's the very first thing you should do. So once you have all of these, you click on save at the top. All right, so click on save. So right now it is already on your chart, but don't leave this interface yet because you are going to add another moving average. So you click on F plus again. Sorry, yeah, is it F plus? Of course, you click on this F plus again, meaning you want to add another indicator. So click on it, click on moving average again. It's going to bring the settings of the first one you did, but don't worry, you have to change the settings. So what you need to do at this point, this one that is 5, okay, turn it to 50. Turn it to 50. You can see I've turned it to 50. The shift, let it be 0. Don't touch that. The method should still be simple. The apply to still close. Okay, so the only thing you are changing here is this period. You change it to 50. Then the next thing you change is the color. This color right here, this style. Okay, you change it to black. Black. You can see I've changed it to black. Once you've changed it to black, you're good to go. You don't need to do any other changes. Just come to the top and click on save. All right, save. So what do you see here? We have 2 moving averages, exactly the same way you're going to have 2 moving averages on the charts. Okay, so let's go back to the charts. Okay, so you can see the 2 moving averages on the charts. Now, how are you going to apply this? The red moving average, okay, is the faster moving average, while the black one is the slower one. So the black one is the 50 period moving average, while the red one is the 5 period moving average. Okay, so what do you do? How do you apply this strategy? Now let me show you how you're going to be applying this strategy. Okay, so I would like to start from here. This is the moving average cross strategy. When one of the moving averages, the red one, the faster one, crosses the slower one, you are to enter a buy trade. If it crosses it from downwards and crosses it in a way that it moves upwards, then you should be entering a buy trade. Okay, look at this. The cross is such that the red moved from under, it moved from below, then cross the black moving average. You know, it crossed in an upwards manner. Okay, so once you have such a cross, you should be looking to do what? To buy. Okay, now how are you going to buy? Once the cross is confirmed, you can see the red line, the red moving average crossing the black moving average here. The next thing is you wait for a candle to close. Okay, a candle has to close above the black moving average, which is this candle that we have here. Look at this candle, this blue candle. Okay, once the candle has closed, immediately the candle closes, enter a buy trade. Put your stop loss below that candle. Okay, your stop loss should be where? Below the candle, below this candle, a few pips below that candle. That's where your stop loss should be. Okay, while you'll be entering your buy trade somewhere here, immediately this candle is closing, you're entering your buy trade to move in the upwards direction. This is your SL below the candle that broke the black moving average. Hope that's clear. So the signal moving average is the red one. It's the red one that will tell you whether you are buying or selling. The reason why we are buying at this point is because it's crossed from below and moved above. Anytime you want to sell, it's going to cross from above and move below. So let's see. Look at the trades, the trade you would have caught. So the price kept moving up to this point. You just manage your trade in the upwards direction. Please follow me, because you are going to get value with this strategy. It's very simple but very powerful. Okay. All right, so let's see what happened. Price came down, the red moving average came down, but it did not cross. Instead, it bounced from the black moving average, so we won't be able to enter. It has to cross. Okay, so right here, what do we see happening? What do we see happening here? The red moving average crossed over the black moving average. From upwards, it crossed in the downwards direction. Okay, so this is the direction of the cross. Good. So what are we going to do? Look at this candle. This candle, once this candle closes, you are entering a sell trade. Your stop loss is going to be a few pips above that candle. Okay, stop loss a few pips above that candle. Then what happened? Price moved in the downwards direction. All of these downwards movements, you would have caught it and made money with it. So you manage your trade to the downside. Okay, so let's see what happened, and let's see if there is another cross. Okay, good. Another cross is taking place here. You can see the red crossing from below and crossing above. It's crossed the black moving average in an upward direction, so we are looking to buy. All we need to do is wait for this candle to close. Once the candle closes, we are entering a buy trade. As simple as that. Very simple strategy. This strategy might not work well with some other kind of pairs. It works well with pairs that move, you know, in a directional manner. If they are moving up, they are moving up, you know, with enough impulse. Okay, so that's why this strategy is working well. If you use maybe GBP USD, you might not get exactly the same results. Okay, because those pairs don't move in a direction with enough impulse like US Tech and US 30. US Tech and US 30 are two crazy pairs. You already know that. Okay, so what we have, immediately it closes, you are entering a buy trade at this level. Your SL is going to be below the candle. Okay, below this candle. All right, and you manage your trade to the upside. What do we have? Did it move up? Yes, it did move up, and you can see, look at all the trades you would have caught. It just kept soaring higher and higher, and the red line does not even want to come close to the black line again, and price is just moving in the opposite direction, putting you into crazy profits. Okay, this is where it crossed again. This is where it crossed again. If you are getting any value, please subscribe to the channel. That's the only way you can encourage me to keep giving you this level of value. All right, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So price broke in the downward direction. The red moving average broke the black one in the downward direction. So we are looking to do what? We are looking to sell. Once this big bearish candle closes, I'm entering my sell trade to move in the downwards direction. My SL is going to be a few pips above that candle, so the price move down. Yes, you can see you would have caught all these downwards movements. Okay, so let's see at this level again. We have another break. So the red line broke and move in the upwards direction. So once this candle closes, look at this candle here. Once this candle closes, I'm looking to do what? I'm looking to buy. My SL is going to be a few pips below the candle, and you can see price played a little but still short in the upwards direction. Okay, so you would have made some money from that. Let's see if there's another cross. Yes, price what's it called? The red line crossed the black line in the downwards direction. Once this candle closes, you are entering a sell trade to move in the downwards direction. You know where to place your stop loss. Okay, so you can see all the trades you would have caught. This is a crazy strategy. Crazy. All right, crazy strategy. If you are getting value, subscribe to the channel. So let's see if price is going to still cross in the upward direction. Man, this is massive. This is a massive trade. All right, so this is current price action. Okay, current price action. This is where the price is currently. And what do you see happening, ladies and gentlemen? You can see the red has crossed over the what? Over the black. So if I were to take the trade with this strategy, once this particular candle here is closing, I'm entering what? A buy trade. Okay, my SL is going to be a few pips below that candle, and this movement from here to here, I would have made money with it. I would have made money with it. Okay, this is just to prove to you that this strategy actually works. All right, the video is already long enough. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe. I believe you already understand the concepts of this strategy. If you are a new viewer, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.